Introducing Project Portworthy, a legacy edition, Moorland Defender 90. A masterclass in the sometimes less is more approach, Project Portworthy retains that classic Land Rover DNA, but with subtle styling cues and upgrades that make you stop and look. Having had a full body off-frame, panel by panel, nut by nut rebuild, Project Portworthy is simply breathtaking from every angle. When timeless simplicity is the goal, it's the small details that matter. That's the Moorland Touch. Built to capture the essence of effortless British summer motoring, this Defender 90 is ready to leave its mark on the world. Visually, the vehicle is defined by its stunning Windjammer Blue paintwork. Each individual panel professionally painted before assembly to ensure a flawless finish. The deep blue paintwork is then beautifully contrasted against the rugged and reassuringly sturdy galvanized exterior accessories. A galvanized heavy-duty roll cage was installed, paired with a classic sand canvas, perfect for summertime wind in your hair motoring. The clean body line is then maintained wonderfully with the two-piece removable half doors, also fitted with contrasting galvanized cappings. To keep the elegant but sturdy aesthetic flowing throughout the vehicle, a heavy-duty galvanized spare wheel carrier was installed along with a galvanized front bumper. Traditional fold-up county-style side and rear steps were installed to allow easy access to the vehicle without detracting from its clean lines. The front end of Project Portworthy got the signature Moorland-style cues, with matching silver heritage front grille, series-style headlight surrounds, and clear lens LED lighting upgrades. To finish the exterior, a stunning set of bespoke genuine Land Rover Wolf wheels, color-matched to the body and wrapped in beefy Falcon Wild Peak tires, were installed, making Portworthy's stance unmistakable. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that is, quite simply, beautiful. Portworthy continues our signature styling with a focus on tactile luxury and timeless materials. The cabin is anchored by premium high-back front seats, finished in classic fluted chocolate brown leather and equipped with two-stage heating for those crisp morning drives. This rich leather extends throughout the interior. Between the seats sits a high-arm cubby box in matching leather, featuring an integrated Marshall Bluetooth speaker. Chocolate brown, box weave drop-in floor mats provide a sophisticated texture throughout the cabin. Inward-facing tip-up rear seats allow for shared adventures, all trimmed in matching fluted leather with new lap belts. A hardwood and polished aluminium steering wheel from Exmoor trim provides the perfect tactile connection to the road. While the interior honors the past with a beautiful condition original dashboard, we've integrated modern necessities like USB charging ports to ensure Portworthy is ready for the modern world without sacrificing its heritage charm. At the heart of Project Portworthy lies the legendary 300 TDI engine, a unit synonymous with bulletproof reliability and the mechanical soul of the classic Defender era. Having been stripped, rebuilt, and then repainted in matching color scheme, the heart and soul of this build is as pretty as it is dependable. The engine is then paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox and 2-speed transfer box, making Project Portworthy perfect for the analog driving enthusiast. To ensure the power from the mighty 300 TDI meets the road, a new heavy-duty clutch from LOF Clutches has been fitted. A stainless steel sports exhaust was also installed to ensure the undercarriage looks good for many years to come, whilst adding some extra character to the driving experience. Underneath Project Portworthy's beautiful exterior lies a chassis that has had every detail considered. The original chassis has been sandblasted, repaired, 2-pack painted, and finished with a thorough cavity wax, ensuring a strong foundation for a build of this quality. Every element has then been reinstalled with either stainless steel or galvanized hardware. To ensure Project Portworthy stops as well as she goes, an entirely new braking system has been installed. New brake lines have been run throughout, and all new hardware fitted. The suspension has had the same treatment, featuring fully coated radius and trailing arms all rebushed with Super Pro Comfort poly bushes and installed with stainless steel fixings. Project Portworthy means business with its new wheel and tire setup. So to make sure it can handle that extra rubber, the axles and steering system have been rebuilt with new swivel kits and heavy-duty steering arms, all color-coded to match the rest of the vehicle. Project Portworthy, a legacy edition Moorland Defender 90 that stands as a tribute to classic Land Rover design. Reimagined with the fit, finish and soul of a modern icon. Moorland Rovers, Land Rovers built in Devon, England, enjoyed around the world. Available for immediate delivery to the USA, UK and Europe.